Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yeah, this looks kind of like I'm talking down to you guys. This is more appropriate. Yo, guys, in this video today, I'm going to be doing what I did say I'm going to be doing, which is I'm going to be going to clear my kayak. Yo, I am super excited. So of course, with clearing anything in Jamaica, there is some good parts and some bad parts. So here's the thing, rule of thumb, when you're clearing anything in Jamaica, you're going to basically be expecting to pay twice the cost of whatever item it is. Now in my case, things were a little bit different because the cost of my kayak was about $1,000 basically, including domestic shipping. Now just to explain to you how the shipping companies work and how we get stuff out here, basically we have what we call like a Miami warehouse. So the company that you sign up with out here, the company that I used for this kayak was actually Shipwise, and my friends tell me that they're really good. Usually I use ShipMe as well. But anyway, so what they do, they give you a shipping address somewhere in Miami. Miami is basically your closest port basically. So they give you an address there and you ship all your products to that address. Now they will take it for you, ship it to Jamaica. All you have to do is just to give them an invoice so they can take it to customs, and from there customs will put their fees, the company will put their shipping weight fees or whatever the case is, and then they take it to wherever your drop-off location is, whether it's delivery or a pickup, and you now have your item. So on the screen I'm gonna put up the total cost. I think it's like 108,000. Funny enough, the most expensive part about the shipping was actually the weight. The kayak, I mean the kayak weight by itself is about 70 pounds, but shipping weight or whatever, they said it's like 125. However, when I get there today, I'm gonna go clarify with them, make sure that they weigh in front of me, and then we can see what the complete cost is going to be. So basically that's how shipping out to Jamaica relatively works. So I just told you, quick and easy way to get stuff cheaply out here. Anything that's below $50 US, you pay no custom fee. Once it's above that, then you're basically screwed. Now that we have that out the way, my cousin and I are gonna go to the shipping company, pick up the kayak, and then we'll see what the total cost for it is so far. Yo, quick shout out to all my patrons, my patrons that have been, donating, $5 a month or $10, or to the people who have sent me like small PayPal donations every now and again. Yo, enough respects to you. You guys actually are helping me to clear this kayak because I'm starved. Alright, so basically like everything with this whole COVID experience, we can't head in right now because there's too many persons inside, so we're just outside chilling and just waiting for a bit, right? Alright guys, over there, so I'm waiting on the boat. As the customer service lady was saying, yo, I'm brave, and I really thought, because it's really expensive bringing in this little small kayak thing, but when you do content or just life, if you want something good, you just have to just work toward it and make it happen. Not just talk about the dreams and but actually, look at my boat is here. Yeah, that's crazy, fam. Guys, this is crazy. Like my cousin's in the back holding the trunk because there wasn't anything to really tie it down, so that's basically that. Yo, love my AD wagon, because this car I use for just day-to-day everything, rugged and stuff. On the top I plan to probably, do a video on me trying to build like a kind of makeshift roof rack, because I did call around, about roof racks, but not many places. Well, I didn't find anyone that had a roof rack available, so I don't want to ship one in either because it's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. So yeah, I'll do a video on that and show you guys, but yeah, we're almost home. Alright guys, we're finally home. Yeah, working on that car there, but anyhow, yeah, she is here. I'm so excited, you wouldn't even understand. I'm really oh yeah, bad thing, this broke off. Try to tie it onto this really dumb idea, but whatever. So the boat is here. Alright, let's do this, man. Alright guys, so I have this boat inside the living room. Me and Ken are supposed to go on the road to get some KFC because his girlfriend has been pining for KFC since yesterday, right? Yeah. Exactly, so but let's get a quick peek of this baby. Right now it's 105 pounds, but it's supposed to be 80 pounds. But I'm gonna take a quick little look in. See, it's army green. I got an army green one. Reason being, I still want it to be a little bit visible on the sea, but if I need to, like, park it up, it's a natural color, and I like green in terms of, you know, nature wise. In general, my favorite color is actually this here, orange or red. That's actually my favorite color. Oh, first look at the hull. Oh yeah.
Padding for the foot.
Yes, wow, I'm excited already. All right, yo, super excited. But the only downside is there's supposed to be a motor mount, which I shipped separately. I wish I did ship both of them together, but whatever. I shipped them separately. It's going to get here sometime soon. I mean, apart from this whole epidemic, the COVID and whatever the case is, it normally takes these shipping companies about 7 days to get your item to you. Once it's in the warehouse, it takes about 7 days to get it to you. So yeah, that was no problem. It took this about 7 days to get here. Yeah, super excited, man, super excited. Yeah, we just couldn't help ourselves. But to just pull into it a bit more. All these stuff are there, just additional weights, man. This alone, like all this wrapping it, a couple pounds as well. Oh, look at that color. I love the color. I love it. I love the color. Careful so I don't tear anything. Yes, got an adjustable seat and everything. Yo ho ho. Oh yeah. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Yo, I'm gonna do a whole video, as I said, on the whole package thing. I had to pull it off because these are the cloth stuff. I don't want them in my house, especially with the whole corona thing. I want to get them out of here as quickly as possible. But yo, this is a nice size boat. The seat hasn't been set up as yet, basically. It's just flat there. But look at that. I could easily take my cousin out on this, like, with ease. Like, he would have to kind of catch, though, like, up on the bow or bow, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how to pronounce it well. But, what I like about this too is it's not really a dry box or a dry pod, but yeah, you need a certificate for ownership or whatever. But with this, I could easily catch a nice size fish, like a snapper, or when lobster season is open, and I can toss them in here like with no problems. Just throw some ice in there and just toss them in there, and yeah, keep them cool for a little bit. In terms of storage space, yeah. Oh yeah, there is a little thing here at the back. There is storage space somewhat at the back there, but it's mostly for like right there. You see those holes. That's where I'm gonna mount the engine to when I get the mount. But yeah, this is gonna be for like what you call like a little engine tank. Anyway, enough of that. I'm gonna head to either KFC first or to Yamaha. I'm super hungry. I haven't had anything to eat all day, and it's about 1 o'clock right now. Alright guys, so we are at KFC right now. Yeah, the drive-thru have some form of issues, so people like right there. So it's a walk-through drive-thru where people, they come up and they take your order and you just wait here until they can get it. So that's basically the deal right now. Yeah, famished, extremely famished. Yeah, so we get the KFC, go drop off some to Keanu girlfriend. So all those who did that try for. Alright, so we got KFC, barbecue, spicy, some fries. Yeah, the meat look a little done. And about to watch the premiere of a video with you guys right now. Alright guys, so this video is basically in a whole heap of chunks. Like this is like 2-3 weeks after I got the kayak boat. Today we actually by Yamaha, Jamaica, across from this beautiful, what you call it, BMW Mini Coupe. Yo, Jamaica's changed a lot. But anyway, we are Yamaha to get a motor today, and yeah, we're just gonna look around. I'm looking for maybe like a 2.5 horsepower motor. There's only two horsepower that's here, but I'll work with it. There's not many like options in Jamaica in terms of motors which are like really reliable. Yamaha is one of them. Yeah, so we basically just got stopped a while ago, but because they recognize the vlog, so that's really cool. Because I hate when I have a camera on and person's wondering what we're doing, but yeah, they knew what we were doing, so that's cool. Like that boat. Who knows, maybe in the future I'll buy a boat. Alright, so these are some nice boats here. I think, what you call these stuff again? Jet skis are illegal out here because persons use them in the wrong way and persons get hurt. So yeah, some really nice cool boats, but of course starting out with a kayak. Reason why I chose a kayak is because, of course, my budget can get to that, and at the same time I don't have to worry about a trailer to, for example down there, a trailer to actually bring a kayak. I can launch from anywhere, not many restrictions, so that's a good part about it. Alright, let's try to go inside and check out the motors. So heading on inside the store, there's actually a cross section of an engine. It's a 40 horsepower engine, so you get a basic idea of what the engine looks like inside. I'm a novice to this, so it's good to see stuff like that. But anyway, let's head in. So this is basically the motor that I might be going for. 2 horsepower, because it's a small kayak, so it doesn't really require much power. It's estimated for 2.5. 2.5 is perfect for it. I would probably chance to go to a 4, but this is like 180,000 I believe with a fisherman's license. This one is like 114,000. And what I'm going for, I need to make sure I'm staying to specification of the boat, and at the same time having something that's light. So we'll get the specs on this to see how light it is. Alright. And of course you have the other big boys, 60 horsepower and all these other things out here. These I would probably want in future, but these stuff are mad expensive. It's like a fish finder. It tells you like the depths of the water and all that stuff. It's crazy. I could hook up one of these on my boat, but oh, they have a smaller version, which is one I might like, this one or that one. Alright guys, so basically I just bought the baby motor. It's a very small motor, but yo, it's a learning curve for me because there's so much things. Like I understand a car's engine, but like a boat engine, there's some stuff I'm not quite sure about. So this is my starter engine, figuring it out, you know, how to use it and stuff. And you know, maybe some of you guys will have tips and tricks to, you know, drop on me. Just send it in, I'll appreciate that. And for those who don't know, then maybe you guys be learning a thing or two from me as I progress through this whole phase. Let's see what I'm going for.
A little shot.
It's a kill switch key?
Yeah, kill switch key. Without this, now I go start.
Okay.
See me? I go for the island starter up here.
Oh, mad. Alright, so we get the thing. This is like a toolkit type of thing that we got here. So yeah, I'm gonna start this baby up. Oh, so that thing that pump up the gas.
Yeah, this one them call a primer ball, isn't it?
Alright guys, so basically we got the motor. The next step in this video is gonna just be us going down to fisheries, getting the thing registered, building a roof rack so I can chop it on top of my car, and then heading out to sea. It's gonna be a whole vibe for the people who have always been, like, especially my patrons, persons who contribute every single month, or persons who just do small donations, or persons who just click the like on the video or watch the ads. Yo, you guys really help for this to even be possible. What?
I said, could I tell you like that's what I don't know, what this thing I done.
Guys, we got the kayak on a little makeshift what you call this thing again? Roof rack. Yeah, a couple more modifications to make it more secure, but we got it here. So we're gonna get everything registered right now. So tomorrow out to sea. Alright guys, so basically got done, you know, getting the whole registration thing sorted out. Let me tell you, man, Brian at the Ministry of Fisheries, this guy is A1 when it comes down to service. Spoke to him twice on the phone, and each time you speak to the person, you can tell who it is just by the voice and the whole demeanor. Came down here the first time and excellent service, man. Excellent service. Just feels like I'm talking to somebody that you know. It's just so personable. I really enjoyed working with him today. So basically everything is set. We can go to sea tomorrow. You see me? The total cost, paying for governmental fees, is about $9,000, $10,000. That includes registering the boat, registering the motor, and also paying for the fisherman's ID and all that. So we're good to go. Eventually it's gonna be a Soai vlogs and the fisherman identification, well the boat best identification number. That's gonna be freaking dope. Like Soai vlogs is on a freaking boat. Like yo, you feel? I'm gonna smile over there. It's gonna be a whole vibe. So we're gonna head back down to Ochi tomorrow. This is like whole impromptu thing. Stay by the whole River of Paradise thing. Get some epic videos and stuff. I haven't gotten the boat registration number or anything like that, but they said with the receipt, if I get stopped out by the sea or whatever the case is, I should be good with that. So that's gonna be a whole vibe. Thanks guys for coming along on this whole journey. Oh yeah, I did mention I would like to put some of the patrons' name, you know, persons who have been my long-standing patrons, and put their names on the boat, you know, for those persons who have just been rocking with Soai vlogs and just been doing donations and, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, thanks for coming along. You guys saw how much it was to pay for the boat, ship it in. So maybe that can help you whenever you're shipping anything to Jamaica. You have an idea of, if he paid this amount for this size boat, blah, blah, blah. Maybe that can help out. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video when we'll be out in the ocean. Ready to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember,
keep the link.